Hello, my name is Gudde, and this is my tutorial for how to use a database. First, from the JCKL website, we click on Browse Databases, and my project is going to be about the process of how to get a book published, as in how to write it, how to get it edited, how to revise it, and just the whole process of putting together a book. So my subject is library sciences. So I go and find library science and information services. And when I was looking through these earlier, I decided to do my tutorial on ProQuest Central. And it's down here, ProQuest Central. As you can see, I already typed something in. So this is ProQuest, and it has a lot of different databases included in it. Over here it has a search tip that they will look for documents with all the terms entered by default, and we can use quotation marks or the word "or" to find any of the words entered. So Boolean operators. And up here we can choose if we want just full text or peer-reviewed sources. I'm just going to do a basic search, and for this one I'm going to type in publish, and it gives me a lot of other things that pop up with it. So I'm just going to select get published. And right off the top, it's showing me a lot of results, over 7 million results there. I can choose to select the source type on my left, or I can just look at them all from here. I could put in some other words if I wanted to change my search. But right off the top, it's showing me this one that says get published, how to get it published. Now that's exactly what I'm looking for, but it says it's from a newspaper. So I have my doubts that it'll be what I want. But maybe it'll lead me to something better. So yes, this is really short about a seminar that happened who knows when. And that doesn't really give me what I want, but over here on the right, it shows related items. And this looks promising. How to get published. So you want to be a writer, how to write, get published, and maybe even make it big. That sounds interesting. I'll click on that one. And it's a full text PDF. It came out of a journal, school library journal. There are photos, glossary, a website, illustrations. This doesn't look very big. Maybe if I click on the full text PDF, yeah, there we go. That leads me to what I want. Anyway, I might come back to that, but it looks like it shows a whole lot of other things over here. Writing Maniac. I can keep looking at these, or I can put in a new search if I want. Anyway, that is how to use ProQuest Central. Thank you very much.